welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and shout out to my returning subscribers. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave and turning on your notifications so you're notified every time I do upload. I tend to upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Sometimes I'm off my schedule, but usually it's those days. Shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching this video with me today. So today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. And I have a headband wig for you guys. Okay, so it's been like a year since I've done a headband wig. 2020, y'all know that took over, but then in 2021 it kind of died down a little bit. But I still wear headband wigs. I think they are super beginner friendly, convenient, and when I don't want to lay lace, I'll reach for like a synthetic one sometimes, and then I do reach for my human hair one. So I am actually going to be reviewing a headband wig that I reviewed on my channel 2 years ago that was very popular, but I have it in a longer length, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this twist out look here. Okay, I think it's so pretty. You ever have like a wig that just looks like you? Like, I feel like this wig is very me. I feel like it is. I just think it's so pretty. We have a lot of nice definition here. So I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of this wig. Application and styling, very easy. So if you are a beginner, you're not into lace, and you don't know about headband wigs, get into headband wigs. Or a lot of people started following me in 2020 because of the headband wigs. Let me know if you're still on the wave, because I still am. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching.
Your number, baby, I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you get your number, baby? I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? I get tired just thinking about you. Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours?
All right, guys, so you saw the process of me getting this wig together and getting the twist out look. So what I did was I used the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. Back in the day, or like even last year before I started using that mousse, I would have used some leave-in conditioner or some like curl custard, but this is all I use right now after I shampoo and condition my wigs. But when I have a brand new wig, I just use conditioner. So that's what I did today. I used my Aussie conditioner. I let it towel dry a little bit, and then I just, you know, twisted the wig down using this curl mousse. Again, Kai put me on like at the end of 2021, around September, October. And I have gone through like 3 bottles of this. This is like holy grail for me. And I love curly human hair wigs. So I definitely have to pick this up every few months. I used it on this wig and I was going to let it sit like overnight. But then I have a portable fan right here off to my right. And it keeps me cool, but it also dried my wig when I was doing my makeup and taking a shower and stuff. So, and it looks good. So you don't have to do it overnight. It's best to do it overnight because you won't have any issues with like it still being wet and then it getting frizzy. But mine doesn't look frizzy. And a little bit of frizz does look natural to me. So I have a little bit of frizz in some areas, but I think that looks good and it makes it look like it's mine. This is so pretty. So with the one that I reviewed for you guys 2 years ago, I think I had it in either 16 or 18 inches. Very pretty. If you bought that wig during that era, bring it back out the closet and do a twist out on it. Because I never did a twist out with the one that I had 2 years ago. And it's really pretty, y'all. That's the cool thing about human hair, kinky curly wigs, or curly wigs in general. You have a lot of versatility, especially with kinky curly wigs. You can do, you know, braid outs, twist outs like this. It has so much versatility with styling with this wig. So I love how this came out. So another great thing about buying a human hair headband wig in 2022 versus 2020. In 2020, it was popular, so the prices were higher for the headband wigs. So now I'm on HerGivenHair's website, and they are a high-end company. They have a sale going on, 30% off. The starting price is $130 for this Coily headband wig. I didn't even read the specs for you guys. So the texture on this wig is Coily, which is their 3C to 4A texture. I have the length 20 inches, but of course I did a twist out on it, so it's gonna be shorter than that. So it's actually 20 inches when you stretch it out. Natural color, and I have a medium size cap. So I have a large head, and one thing I hated about human hair headband wigs was that it was very tight on my head. This is actually pretty comfortable. This doesn't feel like excessively tight or anything on my head. And I have on a wig grip, so I didn't have to use the combs in the front. I don't use the combs on the front of my wigs because I would like to keep my edges. I just use the comb in the back. That's it with my wig grip, and I'm good. Now some people, because I've been reading comments on headband wigs for the last 2 years, so some people had issues with their slipping off. You can use your combs if you want to, but if you wear headband wigs every day with the combs, your edges will definitely thin out. I've had that happen to me years ago. when I was just wearing like synthetic half wigs. So keep that in mind. Or you could do something like use bobby pins instead. It's not as likely that your hair is gonna thin out with, you know, smaller bobby pins versus like bigger combs. And let's get into this price with my specs. So the starting price for the shortest inches is $130 currently. So this could change by the time my video goes up, but we're gonna see how much mine is with my specs. Okay, with my specs, this wig is $287.70. 2 years ago, this wig was like $300 to $400. So you might have missed the wave in 2020, but in 2022, they're a lot less expensive. It's a lot, you know, of headband wigs on the market now, but HerGivenHair, y'all know, and I don't be lying on my channel about wigs. It's not that deep. I feel like they have some of the best quality human hair wigs in the game. This is very beautiful, y'all. So, and now the price is lower, so it's kind of like, definitely check it out if you are interested. And if you are interested in any of the products that I got this wig together with, they will be in my Amazon storefront. So if you are interested, head over there. I have all of my supplies over there. I have different categories from wigs to pet supplies, clothes, all kinds of stuff over there. Make sure to follow me on my Amazon storefront. Shout out to everybody who continues to shop it. It does help me and my channel out a lot. I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in this wig, I'll have all the links to where you can purchase it in the description box. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Can I get yours?